manufacturing has evolved. Welcome to the future. Delivered daily at Pratt Whitney, where engine architecture is defined, driven to push performance capabilities, employees turning challenges into solutions for our customers. Pratt & Whitney's engines connect people around the world. With people controlling robotics, additive manufacturing, linear friction welding, isothermal forging, game-changing technologies, making us different. Because this is where power is born, where thrust is made, where propulsion is defined. Manufacturing has evolved. A tomorrow that starts today. The future delivered by a company whose people and products go beyond.